Good morning everybody, and this is your DAX day trade setups for today. So first things first, this gap is still very much open, and you can see the start of the week we didn't really get going anywhere. We sort of tested this level a little bit, which is 14,300 or 14,306. That's current price, so let's just do that again. 14,318. So we did test that level, but we didn't really sort of get above it. I still think we should be waiting for 14,100. Nice head and shoulder break there. So shoulder, head, shoulder. So it's a very well defined bit of bullish structure there. For all intents and purposes, trend is still down. We are below the moving averages. You can see we're below the 155 on the 8 hour. So that is still in a downward trend. If we switch across to the 3 hour, you see a different picture. We are hovering above the 155, and we spent a bit of last week. We dropped down, and then so far, inside bar, engulfing bar on the 3 hour, which is forming just below 14,306, sorry, not 14,306, 14,318, which is the level. So I don't really trust that, but it is off the 155 EMA, and you can see we've got crossover of the 33 and the 155 at the moment, and obviously we're looking for the 66 and the 155 to cross over as well. So for me at the moment, this is range bound, and you can actually just do that. That is the top of the range, and 14,527. So start breaking above that, then we start getting the continuation. So if you look at it on the hour, it becomes a lot more clearer, and you can see over the last couple of days that's the range that we've been ranging in. And I can probably just add a fourth level here, which is right over there. You can see all the interaction around here, and that's kind of where we are hovering. So with those two levels in, let's just tidy it up a little bit better, and then this one, get that one up to there. Let's just get down to the 15-minute, and that is your structure for today. So break below 14,238, you're probably looking for a deeper pullback. I wouldn't say breaking below the range, probably just going to extend the range down to here, which is 14,127. Alternatively, break above 14,337, then you're looking firstly for this gap. There's the gap up there, and then secondly top of range. So that is 14,477 and a 14,527. So this at the moment, 100 point risk for 140 point gain, and the downside is probably not going to be worth playing. It's 111 points risk for 111 points gain, so 1-to-1 trade. So that's kind of what I think we have on the go at the moment. Very much range bound. It does look like a little flag forming at the moment for a break the upside, but we are in amongst the moving averages, and I would prefer us to be above or below the moving averages in a decent trend. Yesterday was below, above, below, above, below, above. So that is a sign of consolidation or range bound price. Okay, so that's kind of my view at the moment. Wait and see. I think if you're on the lower time frames and you've got the time, something like the 5 minute would definitely give you early indication. You can see there, break below the 155, start rejecting it. So, strategy still works on the 5 minute. The only difference is you need to be watching this, because as soon as you're in, you need to get your stop to break even, and then wait for the next structure. And you can see there's a inside bar off the level, and that would have given you an opportunity to take a profit. So yeah, that's kind of my view at the moment. Obviously I don't have the time to sit and watch 5 minutes, or the 50 minutes for that matter, but during market open, it's sometimes just clever just to watch 15, get your entry in, and then switch back to the hour, and then watch what's going to happen from there. So anyway, range bound at the moment, so I'm trying to sit on hands right now until we break. I prefer the wider range rather than the smaller range, but if we start breaking the smaller range on the 15 minutes, 5 minute charts, you've got a tight stop, 100 point stop loss, and you've got 100 point gains either side, so 50-50. Anyway, hope it helps, and we will catch up with you tomorrow morning. Cheers for now.